So once again, a very good evening, everybody, and welcome to the Bandstand here at the Singapore Garden Festival. My name is John.
And I'm Sam.
That's right, we're here to sing a few songs for all of you. Hopefully, they've got something for everyone. And looks like a crowd has formed.
Yes,
Yes.
that is right.
And did you know that Xiumin has beaver fever?
Oh yes, yeah. We know that Shimin has beaver fever.
Yeah, Xiumin has beaver fever, and the only antidote is more beaver. Right. So we'll play more beaver for later on. But in the meantime, right, if you have any song requests, go ahead and shout it out from wherever you are. We'll try our very best to sing a song for you. In the meantime, here's still something from who sang this again?
Billie Eilish.
Okay, here we go.
I want you to stay till I'm in your grave.
British birds of a feather. Thank you very much. Right. So now at this point of time, I just want to get a feel. Right. How many people of different nations do you think are here now?